Cable hip thrusts. This exercise primarily targets your glutes and your hamstrings. It's a good exercise for teaching the hip hinge pattern, which is important in deadlifting. It's a good accessory exercise to chuck in for glutes and hamstrings. And it's an exercise that you might want to trial a few higher rep ranges in if you want to. Now for the fun stuff. All right, so the first cue is set the pulley at the lowest setting so that when you're pulling from diagonally down, opposed to just completely horizontally. And this will give you a bit more stability and therefore more force generation throughout the movement. Next, you're going to initiate the movement by hinging backwards. So imagine that you're sort of sitting back into it or you're pushing a car door closed behind you with your bum. Your arms should remain completely straight throughout the movement. They are just functioning to hold the rope, nothing more. As you're doing this, you're trying to maintain a neutral spine and you're letting the rope pull your hands back under your hips. Just before you feel your lower back rounding is where you should stop. So you should descend as low as you can, but once you start feeling the lower back, it's time to come up. When you come up, explosive and a forceful contraction with the squeeze at the top. All right, I hope you learned some cool things from this video. If you've got any other questions about leg and glute training, feel free to message me. I do online glute and leg programs for beginners all the way to advanced. If you want to check them out, it's in my program's highlight reel. There's some cool before and afters there. Peace.